On October 9th in the morning, we got an alert of a leak in 71 Sanford Avenue North, and it was reported to be a 5 to 7 liter per minute water loss, which would get expensive over time. So I asked my staff to fully inspect the building, just a non-intrusive inspection. When nothing was found that way, I asked them to go door to door. Under an emergency circumstance, we can do that. When we went into a unit on the second floor, we found a toilet in a constant flush mode. So the water was just pouring straight through the bowl. So it was just a matter of turning off the water service line, calling our plumbers in, and within 90 minutes, the repair was made. Without the Flowie, we would not have known about the issue until the tenant contacted us. And as it turned out, the tenant was away for 3 days. So it would have gone on for 3 days at the very least until the tenant reported, if he reported it. It sure proved its worth on that day. Since we've had the Flowies installed, there's a sense of calmness and a peace of mind knowing that this piece of equipment is doing the monitoring for us, alerting us in real time when there's issues so that they can be corrected as soon as possible and keep money in our pocket that would otherwise be going down a toilet or down a drain, so to speak.